Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena, and in today's video I'm going to be cash stuffing my cash envelopes binder and my sinking funds binder. This is going to be our first cash stuffing for the month of April, and this is the leftover from my full-time paycheck from my weekly job. And we currently have a total of $306 that I'm going to be cash stuffing in both my binders. I have all of my categories listed here and all of the money set out just to save some time. But first, I'm going to add in my coins that I had accumulated during the week. So I'm going to take my little coin jar, and this is part of my savings challenges as well. Okay, and this is what I was able to accumulate during the week. So I'm gonna stuff this in here. This is the end portion. Okay guys, so first I'm going to see how much I can take out from my cash binders. There are some envelopes that I'm not going to be touching, mostly because it's sinking funds. I'll just let you guys know which one are them, just for my new viewers, and then we'll be moving on to the stuffing portion. So I'm just gonna set my sinking fund binder aside, and I'm going to have this here. But first, before I start the video, I want to thank each and all of my subscribers, all of my viewers, all the people that have given me likes and also comment down below. You guys do not know how much I appreciate it. I thank you all so much. You guys are a very, very big part of my channel, and I thank you so much for taking the time to comment and also subscribe and also hitting that like button and also viewing my videos. So I really appreciate you guys, and I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, right now, I'm just going to get into the binder, and the first one is groceries. I don't have anything right now because I did stuff 140 and that went all to groceries. And I have a little confession from this, the money that was left over for groceries. I did already use it on Sunday just because I had to make sure to get all of my errands out of the way. So I did wash, I did do grocery shopping, and also I got car gas. So you'll see I'll be stuffing it a little less than what I usually do. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys, because that's not normally what I stuff, but being that I recently did everything, this is the reason why I'm going to be stuffing the amount I'm going to be stuffing. So just a heads up. So it's going to be groceries, and there is nothing in right now. Household has, let's see, I think $10. Yep, $10, and I'm going to be using this for something else. So I'm going to set this aside right now. Okay, car gas has nothing. Inflation is real, guys, and I was not able to spare anything left. Dining out as well. Inflation is real again, and I was not able to save anything. Personal, this is one of my sinking funds, so I am not going to touch that. Beauty as well, health, date night, and family. This is not really too important, so I'll be taking out what's left in here. Okay, and we have a total of $10. So I'm going to set this aside as well. Okay, and we're gonna be moving on to the stuffing portion now. Okay guys, so grocery, as you can see, I'm going to be stuffing $50. So I'm going to take a 50. I'll be stuffing more this week. This is just what I'm going to be doing, at least for the first week of April. Yeah, but I'm going to stuff a little more. This is, at least for the first video, I wanted to try to get a video in, at least for this new month. So right now, groceries has a total of $50. Household, I'm going to be stuffing 20. Comment down below, just let me know what you did for April Fool's Day. My mom really did get me. She's actually telling me that she was moving, and I kind of took that as a surprise. Not too much because she had spoken about she wanted to move, but it did affect me, and come to find out, it was all a joke. Good thing it was a joke though, because it was really putting a downer, especially it was at work and everything. I couldn't really cry. So I hope you guys did have a great April Fool's Day and also a great weekend. There was a lot of rain where I was at, but I was able to at least do some deliveries, and I'm happy to say that I at least did enough for the weekend. So as you guys know, I do side work. Side work on the weekends. We're doing groceries, so that's what I did for most of Sunday. I did a little Saturday. Saturday, I just got most of my errands out the way, and then I was able to do at least a couple of grocery deliveries. So I guess it was okay. So car gas is going to be getting $25, and I'm so sorry to be a little chatty. I hope you guys don't mind. Just want to try to talk with you guys and not just only stuff. I feel kind of awkward just doing that. So I hope you guys don't mind. Okay, it's going to have 20 and 25 in car gas. Okay, dining out, I'm going to cash off 20 for this envelope. I hate when this moves. Okay, so now we have $20 in our dining out envelope. I'm gonna try to see if I can do a month where it's gonna be a no spend month, but first I have to talk with hubby about that, because I'm not sure which month that would be, but I'm definitely going to do at least one of these months. I will be doing one of those challenges pretty soon. Personal, I'm going to stuff $5. Okay, so now personal has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As I did mention, this is one of my sinking funds. Next, another category is my sinking fund is beauty, but I'm not going to be putting anything. So we'll just see now how much I still have in this envelope. Okay, so I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't have enough from this remaining of my paycheck, so this is why I'm not stuffing this, but I will get to this on my next one. Okay, health is going to be getting $20. Okay, so for health, we have a total of 20, 40, 50. Date night, I'm going to, I have nothing in date night. I apologize, guys. So date night is not going to get anything, at least for this cash stuffing. So I'm just going to see how much we have here for now. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, guys, I'm out of it. I apologize. Okay, family is going to be getting $2. Okay. I know your girl's out of it. I'm so sorry. Okay, so now family has a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, I cannot wait for the summer. I really want to do some family time with my kids and hubby, so really excited about that. And I'm really excited about my Disney trip. Cannot wait for that. Okay, and for miscellaneous, this is my last envelope for my cash binder. And I'm going to stuff $20 for this one as well. This is just in case if I come up short on anything, this is what I use just as a backup. Okay, guys, so we're done with this binder. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside, and now I am going to be getting my sinking funds binder. Okay, and then for this portion, what I stuffed into my cash envelopes was $162. Made sure I counted it twice, just to be sure. Okay, guys, so now we are moving on to sinking funds. Okay, first envelope is me time, and I'm going to stuff $5. Okay, so for me time has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we're just gonna, again, just to be sure, because I was sidetracked for a second. It's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Slowly but surely, as one of my subscribers said, and it is very true. So pretty soon I'll be cash stuffing a little more, but this is just what I'm able to cash stuff now. Not as much as I would like it to be, but it's progress. Kiddos is going to be getting $10. Okay, and kiddos currently has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87. Just to be sure, I apologize, guys. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 5, 6, 7. So $87. Okay, next envelope is hubby, and hubby is also getting $5. Okay, so hubby currently has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, and next up is fun, and fun is getting 5. Okay, so fun currently has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I believe that's about right. Okay, next up is parents, and parents right now is not going to be getting anything for this cash stuffing. Definitely going to do it next time. Car maintenance is going to be getting 10. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm like kind of anal about this. Oh, it's kind of bothering me every time I look at it. Okay, guys. So for car maintenance, I currently have 10, 15, 20. Car doesn't really need anything right now. I just have to do an alignment for the next time. And also, I believe I have to start saving up for the for transmission fluid. So that's fun. So car maintenance currently has $20. Okay, and next up is going to be furniture, and I'm going to stuff $6. Oh, I am so sorry, guys. Please forgive me. This is gifts, and I'm sorry. For this envelope, I'm not going to be stuffing anything. So let me just put this back and eat my words. I'm so sorry. I know I'm kind of sloppy today, so I apologize. Okay, so gifts currently has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I wanted to stuff something for gifts, but at least I'm trying to do at least the most important ones right now. Yeah, so gifts is not getting anything. I'm just used to cash stuffing all of the envelopes, so I apologize, guys. The furniture actually is going to be getting $6, so now I'm on furniture. Okay, guys, so furniture currently has $20, $40. Oh my goodness. I'm Hot Mess Express today. Starting over. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66. I am so Hot Mess Express. I am so sorry, guys. Okay, I'm good. Electronics is not going to get anything today. Definitely going to leave it for my next cash stuffing. But electronics currently has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Clothing is going to be getting $5. Okay, and clothing currently has 5, 10, 15, 16. It's been a long day, guys, so I'm so sorry in advance. I know it's kind of sloppy, so I apologize. Travel is going to be getting $20. To her future plans to travel. I have to currently get my passport, so that is one of the next envelopes I'm going to be adding, because I have to get passports for me and my kids. Just because late next year, I believe, in the mid or next year, mid or ending of next year, I will be traveling outside the state. So I have to start now with that passport, and also trying to bulk up a little more on my travel envelope. So travel currently has 20, 25. House is getting $20 as well. Okay, and house currently has 20, 30. This is basically kind of like my down payment for my house, kind of, sort of, and any other costs or any other things that I have to, you know, make sure to add. This is going to be for my house. And last envelope is emergency, and I'm going to stuff $50. So my emergency fund currently has 100, 150. Okay, guys, so we are all done with the sinking funds portion as well. And for my sinking funds, I did stuff $136. Okay, so we are done with this portion as well. I'm actually going to save this for my savings challenges. So I will definitely update you guys on that as well. I wanted to do the savings challenges today, but I'm like, I wanted to have a little more than just this. So, but I will put this aside, and this will just be, you know, kept in my binder, or my purse, until my next video. So this is going to be part of my savings challenges. So keep a lookout for that, guys. Okay, and then we are all done with our video. Okay. Guys, I want to thank you so much for always being so kind, for always commenting, for always liking my videos. Please remember to always comment. I really do enjoy hearing from you guys. I really enjoy the encouragement. Thank you so much for always viewing my channel, even though there are some mistakes. But you know what? I'm new at this, and I will try, and I will definitely get better in the future. But right now, I thank you all for being patient. I thank you all for viewing my videos. I thank you all for subscribing. And if you haven't done so, please make sure to do so. But if you want to see my videos, if you want to get to know me a little more before subscribing, that's okay too. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And remember to also comment and like down below. And I will see you next time. Bye.